Hey everyone, it's Andrea, and today I'm going to teach you quickly how to print out covers that will fit perfectly on our matte reading journal stickers. Specifically, I'm going to be showing you book version 2, but this would apply to all 3 of the book versions. And if you have any other questions about any sizes of anything, let me know in the comments down below, or if you want to see any other program on like how to do this. I am just going to be using Pages, which is a Mac program, but I'm assuming Word works pretty similar. So first thing that we're going to do is figure out what size we need the cover to be. You can go on to any of the book stickers. This is just version 2, which is my favorite, and look at the approximate cover size. This one is 1.1 inches by 1.5 inches. And then we're just going to go over to the good old Goodreads, click on the book that you would like to make into a cover, and then you're just going to go ahead and drag her on in. We're going to go onto Arrange. I'm going to unclick Constrain Proportions because at the size that it's going to be, I am most just wanting to fit inside of this perfectly. And obviously books are all different shapes and sizes, so we're just going to go ahead and not worrying about it being the exact correct proportions, but we're going to go into the width and put in 1.1. And then for the height, we're going to go ahead and put in 1.5. And then that will make you the exact size you need. If you just print this at 100% normal, it will be the perfect size. We're just going to go ahead and pick 3 books here. I'm going to go ahead and drop them in so that you can see that we can go ahead and do multiple of these at once. So if you are doing these in bulk, you can just go ahead and select all of those, which I am just holding shift and clicking all of them. Click the proportion constraint again, 1.1 by 1.5, and then you have your perfect size books for those stickers. I like to line them up perfectly so I don't have to make multiple cuts, but if you wanted to, you could leave a little space in between. It's really just up to you. Then you just go ahead and print them on regular paper, cut them out, and then you can paste them on to your book stickers and color in the spine. And that's basically everything. So I hope you like this video. If you want any other tutorials, let me know in the comments down below. But otherwise, that's how you do it, and I'll talk to you all later.